chord here. Okay, so now in our ongoing, we're working with Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and we're making a transition in the opening intro from an F to a C diminished. Now, a C diminished chord, we have a little cheatsy version, and it looks like a G form, you know, that triangular form with the point going this way towards the sound hole. So imagine that you're making a G, the second fret, with the upper three strings. That's a little sort of cheatsy C diminished. The whole diminished, we would take our baby finger, we would place it on the A string, third fret. Isn't that pretty? And when we are covering all four strings, this becomes a movable form that we can do this. Because the thing with the diminished chords is, if I'm watching my index finger, I skip 2 frets, and then my index finger's in the 5th fret. Skip 2 frets. Those are all the same diminished chords with a different voicing, and we get this wonderful technique that we can use in songs. We don't have a whole lot of time in this song to do that, at least in this spot, but there might be in other spots. So we only have 2 beats of that diminished. So we're going from an F to a C diminished. So what I opted to do was to hold that F form down, okay? And you actually can keep holding it down. We have 2 free fingers, and I'm placing my ring finger in the 2nd fret on the E string, and my baby finger in the 3rd fret on the C string. So let me just show you. Here's our F. Now watch these 2 fingers. I'm placing this here and here. And you can actually keep holding your F form down if you want. And to me, this feels like a real efficient transition. So it's F, F, C diminished. And the way to get this down, we know what we have to do: back and forth. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want, you can do this form of the C diminished and slide. So it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit more to it, and remember, we're singing at the same time. We always have to take that into consideration. We just have so much bandwidth in our heads. So I like to keep things as simple as possible while I'm singing. So let's just try it from When All the World is a Hopeless Jumble. Let me turn this off.